You can pump iron in the gym, you can exercise outdoors, you can try various fitness regimes. But if you truly want good health, then you have to focus equally on what you eat. I'm Shivan Channa from Men's Health, and today we're at the Delhi Organic Farmers Market, where a group of farmers grow chemical free fruits and vegetables in their own farms and bring them directly to the health conscious consumers.
Here you get all the producers, you get your vegetables, your fruits, then your bread, your milk, your snacks, your spices, your staples like cereals and pulses and everything. So this is a one place where you get to know your farmers, you get genuine produce.
The older generation, they kind of come and say that, oh, this is what we used to have as kids.
I believe that whatever I spend should go directly to the growers.
The USP of this market is that you get the things very regional and very local also.
And the food tastes amazing. I mean, you can feel the difference.
We wanted to eliminate middlemen, and we wanted to give a face to farmers, and we wanted customers to know that what their farmers are doing in their fields, what are their difficulties.
I've been coming to this market for the past, I think, 1 year. The food is so tasty and it's healthier. It keeps me fit. And for the past 1 year, I don't think I've fallen sick.
But this is just one side of the story, as many of us still continue to buy our ration from the vendor close to our place without even realizing what is actually being sold to us. Now, what sort of chemicals are injected into our foods? And is an organic diet even really better for us? Let's find out. Harmful, hazardous chemicals are secretly invading our lives. Every food on our platter is suspect, especially those meticulously chosen, beautiful looking fruits and vegetables. The leafy green cabbages and apples that you so relish may be overloaded with harmful pesticides.
Most of the factory pollutants are seeping in water or in soil somehow, and they are literally very heavy metals, which are like arsenic, or we have lead, or we have even mercury, which is seeping down from factory units into water. So they generally seep into our soil, and then they come back into our vegetables.
You can take the example of gobi, like they bleach it to make it white, but actually it is, lemon yellow in color.
Hormonal injections on the cows and the buffaloes for the high yielding results. Plus use of formalin and other preservatives because of the lack of cold storages to preserve the milk. And another thing, the use of synthetic milk in the normal milk to increase the quantity, to increase the volumes. Apart from this, there are a lot of detergents, synthetic chemicals, urea is used. So all these factors are like whatever we are drinking, it's a kind of white poison.
These chemicals are hampering with our genes, they are fiddling with our DNAs. So even if we are not finding the ill effect of these chemicals now, the chances of second and third generation having medical diseases, neurological disorders, physical disabilities, then these are very high.
So, is there a way to avoid this cocktail of chemical poisons present in commercially grown food?
Everyone's just looking for cures, no one's looking for prevention. So it's much clearer that we have to move towards reducing chemical loads, move towards the normal foods, which is safe for birds, which is safe for insects. That's the food that's actually safe for us.
ऑर्गेनिक जो होता है वो तो हमारे पहाड़ों पे 200 किलोमीटर ऊपर चढ़ के होता है, लेकिन ये हमारा नेचुरल फूड है जिसको हम विदाउट केमिकल और विदाउट पेस्टिसाइड पैदा करते हैं.
One of the questions which comes to a lot of people, I mean, in their mind as to how different organic could be, compared to any inorganic. I'll just show you pepper. Now, if you look at this pepper, this is not the regular kind of pepper which normally people would buy in the marketplace. Now, this has got some kind of in some ways you could call it a deformity. But then, it is because we haven't used any of these, pesticides or any kind of fertilizers, and we have let them grow the way, in a very, very natural manner.
कि आजकल सबकी ज़रूरत है ऑर्गेनिक फूड थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, पर लेकिन जब हम इस पे हमारा खर्चा बढ़ेगा तो हमारा नेचुरली डॉक्टर का खर्चा कम हो जाएगा आने वाले टाइम में.
Now, in organic, they look very, very good. They look very beautiful. But, in our case, they don't look all that good.
Obviously, nutrition is really now the center of everybody's attention, and I try to live healthy, especially here in Delhi, where the pollution is really bad, and at least something what I can do for myself is to eat healthy.
After all, it's the question of your health.
Certainly, making a commitment to healthy eating is a great start towards a healthier life. And buying organically grown food, free of harmful chemicals, bursting with more nutrition and taste, is a direct vote for health.